NZXT H7 Flow is a fantastic PC case, offering the best value in terms of money that you can invest. This iconic design focuses on cooling performance, providing great component temperatures while keeping noise levels low even under load. The price point is also quite attractive, and users get two exceptional 120mm case fans, spare SSD sleds, and plenty of space for additional cooling. The H7 Flow is an ATX mid-tower chassis with a tempered glass side panel that extends to the bottom of the case, complemented well by an aesthetically pleasing perforated front panel running down the entire front. Behind the motherboard tray are two pre-installed 2.5-inch SSD sleds, two more included in the box, as well as a 3.5-inch hard drive cage and cable management cutouts to make setup easier than ever before. On top, there is room for three 120 or two 140mm fans, or one 360mm radiator, while on the front, users can fit up to three 140mm or three 120mm fans. The rear supports either one 120mm or one 140mm fan. The NZXT H7 Flow comes with two USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A 5GB per second ports, one USB Type-C 10GB per second, and a headphone audio jack, all grouped into one convenient cable. As mentioned before, the fan support provides silent operation even at maximum revolutions thanks to its impressive performance. Despite not being 4-pin PVM ready, everything you need rolled into an unbeatable package. For listed price, you can't beat this one. The next product